Welcome back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn a cool picking exercise, and it's also a visual to show you that you can play the same note across the entire fretboard. Completely different than a piano. You know, a piano, you can only play that note in one spot and that's it. It doesn't repeat itself, you know, like a guitar would. We're going to start on the 12th fret. It's going to be an E minor scale. The first position you're going to do is going to be pointer finger, the 14th fret, and the 15th. Same thing on the A string. And then when you get to the D string, it's the 12th fret again. And then you just go back down. And while you're doing this, be sure to be picking up and down while you switch the strings and everything. It's quite difficult to be doing the picking, but that's why we're doing an exercise. All right, so the next position, you're going to start with the same note, but with your middle finger. And you're going to go to your pinky on the 14th fret this time. And now we're going to go to the 10th fret with your pointer finger, and then all evenly spaced apart after that. And then go back down. So far it sounds like this. Now this third position, you're going to start with your pinky instead, and you're only going to hit the string once, and now you're going to go to the A string on the 9th fret. And then you got, there you go. And then same thing on the D string. And then back down. Down. And so that's pretty much it. You just repeat the exact same thing you did, but right here on the A string, because this note on the 12th fret is the same as this note on the 7th fret of the A. And so you just do the exact same pattern. So you start with your pointer finger. The second pattern where you start with your middle finger. The third one where you start with your pinky. And then of course it just repeats itself yet again. Now instead of starting on the A string, you start on the D string right here. Because that's the same as this note. And this one as well, yes. And so, except this time you're going to go right here. And you could even go to the open strings, but it's going to break our pattern, you know. And that's like kind of extra credit. But yes, good luck. Practice, practice, practice. Yes.